Hi, Mr. Tally. I have your watch here. Checking it out. Very, very early 6309 7049. Super, super early 1970. Well, November 77. It's still, that's early. That's early. Especially for 6309. Correct for these. It's got the white hand loom and the tan dial loom. Absolutely textbook for a 77. That's why it's called the tan 77 loom. It's the same kind of thing you saw on the 6159 grandfather tunas. They're the ones that had white hand loom and the yellow dial loom first. It's my theory that the loom used at that time had some kind of water protection, and it made the color of the loom this yellow color. It gradually faded out through 1978 and maybe a little into 79 every now and then, but definitely the loom starts getting lighter through 78. This is a nice example of a 77 like this. I should be able to clean up hour and minute hands, no problem. Your sweep seconds hand here, I'm going to be able to improve that loom. I'm not sure if you've got this brownish copper around the lollipop. I don't know if you've got any loss there. I'm not going to know until I actually look at it. I'll do my best. I'll clean it, but I'm going to definitely make it better. You might still see some of that. Crystal's original, hazy and scratched. You're missing your loom pip window. It's just gone. Your alignment's correct. I can recreate these loom pips. It's not a perfect job, but they look good. And it would be the same white as the hands. That would make it look correct. You let me know if you want that to happen. Nope, and I have to, I think, get the big one. Oh, no, I got it. Cool. Sigh. You're getting some edge wear on the barrel. Your lower mainspring arbor port is, yeah, it's really worn. I mean, this is nothing surprising. So this right here, this screw holds the ratchet wheel, which is this thing, to the mainspring arbor, the axle that the mainspring and barrel turns on. This screw's on the top of it. So the arbor, lower mainspring arbor, is the lower end of that axle. It's a stainless steel part that's in just a hole in the brass main plate, and it wears crazy. So watch this screw head. Darn it. See that? That's the upper and the lower are really, really worn. So we're going to replace the upper mainspring arbor jewel, bushing with a jewel, and machine out and install the lower mainspring arbor jewel. That'll help. Yeah, that's something. Look at that thing just flipping around all over the place. Look at how ancient your gasket is. Got us a servicing mark in the case back. 7/80 A4VG. I don't know, it doesn't mean anything to me, but we know it was serviced once before. I don't know, it looks like a good, strong watch, and I'm sure it'll be great once we're done with servicing it. It doesn't have a lot of miles. I mean, the case back being so clean is great. A few tool marks, but generally it's nice. And you still got some of the frosted surface. Spring bar holes, lug holes are pretty good. Dial's only slightly faded. This is a nice watch. Yeah, with that big crown cutout. Nice early case. Based on what we're seeing, I would say it's a service, mainspring jewels, and then, you know, case rebuild with all new gaskets, new crystal. I don't know whether you want me to replace that pip. I certainly can. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got its nice big knurled crown too. Day-date work. Yeah, it looks like that's aligned pretty well. Crown screws down all the way. No, this is a great candidate for working on. That'll be a really nice watch when you're done. So let me know about what the options you want, but most specifically if you want me to recreate that pip for you. And that's it. Thank you much.